Alright guys, so I just got another box from Brandless, and I thought I would actually just unbox this on camera for you guys. And if you haven't checked them out, then this will be kind of fun for you, and then I'll leave the link below where you can, I don't know, go browse it for yourself. So this says, "Woohoo, you've gone Brandless, open me up." So these are just a 2-pack of spiral notepads. Everything at Brandless is like $3, and that's it. It's pretty cool. Then I got these pens, and I was kind of interested to see these fine line pens. They are 0.4 millimeter. Now, if you are familiar, I like to use these Staedtler Tri Plus fine liners that are 3.3 millimeters. So I'm actually kind of interested to compare the two, and it never hurts to have more pens. And then I got a few more notebooks because it doesn't hurt to have more notebooks. Plus I like using the Brandless stuff in my stock photography. So these are just regular lined notebooks. And that's it. Now I have in the past purchased some other things. If you are interested in some of the other things that I've got from Brandless, I will just go grab them real quick and kind of show you. I got these plates and bowls from Brandless. I've also purchased some tea and coffee and these other notebooks here. Probably a few other things, I'm just not sure. Yeah, so that pretty much wraps this up. Just a quick unboxing of some new Brandless items that I'm excited to utilize in my stock photos and business. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!